Focus ba?
Focus in the middle.
Yeah. Switch to macro.
Okay. Bakit kaya tabo?
The Lumix DMC-LC5 is a digital camera from Japanese company Panasonic, released in 2001. It is the Panasonic equivalent of the Leica Digilux 1. But there are differences between the two cameras. The body is available in two colors, black or silver with a black grip. It uses a 4 megapixel 1 by 1.7 CCD image sensor. This produces a maximum resolution of 2240 by 1680. Images can be stored in JPEG and standard or fine mode as well as uncompressed TIFF format. It uses like a branded DC Vario Summicron 7 to 21mm or 35mm equivalent of 35 by 100mm. 3 times zoom lens with aperture of f2 to f2.5. A focus mode selector dial is on the face of the body that allows for auto, macro, and manual focus. Manual focus control into initiative with the outer ring barrel design of the lens. There is a traditional optical finder along with the 205,000 2.5 LCD screen. A fold-out tripod socket-mounted LCD hood is included. This reduces the glare on the screen and can be used as a screen protector. External storage with SD or MMC cards. A 32 MB SD card is usually bundled on the camera. This is the Panasonic Lumix DMC-LC5. Yes, it's a 22 years old camera, guys. A compact camera with CCD sensor, and yeah, it's enjoyable to use. And let's try to take some sample photos on this. And again, it's using SD card, which is lower than for 2 GB you can use on this camera. And let's try and take some sample photos and enjoy this camera. So let's go.